Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a day in the life. We have a very busy day. Sorry, the lighting's kind of bad right now. It's like a weird rainy day. Austin, go put Macy in her crate, okay? So this is everything on my to-do list today on my block schedule. So let's see what we've already done. I've already showered, got ready, made my bed. I need to drop clothes. Packed up Austin. He's got school today. I need to pull out dinner on my way home when I pull out a protein shake for my breakfast. We're filming today, and I have an Instagram post that needs to go up as well. Then we have a nail appointment, and then I have a bunch of stuff to do at home. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Show me your nails. They're empty. What are you gonna get on them?
Red and white.
You copycat, that's what I'm doing. All right, go get your coat on, let's go. Austin, you ready for school?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited after a week off?
Yeah. I'm excited to go back.
You'll go back to school tomorrow.
Yay!
So we are just waiting in the car pickup line or drop off line. And then Leighton and I are going to get our nails done, and then we will go home to get the rest of our to-do list done. We've got a long list of stuff. Yep, you got Star Wars Lego
And I got
in their advent calendar. They have the Lego advent calendar, so.
I got this one today. And I've been wanting it.
There you go.
I got my
Show me. You did that whole thing yourself? Nice job. Can you show me your nails that you got done?
Yeah.
Leighton got red and green, and on that finger, let me see, a little focus.
bow.
She's got a bow, and what's on this finger?
Rudolph.
Rudolph. It's so cute. And are we twins with our matching braids today? Yeah. See, we're twinsies. So we are home from our nail appointment. We just had lunch, and we actually went to this place that's local to me. It's a chocolate store, like they make homemade chocolates and stuff. And we got all of these adorable little like Santas and gummy bears and all sorts of yummy treats. Look at all this. So, next I need to check what's on my list. I have my nail appointment. I need to finish cleaning our bedroom. I have some presents to wrap. I have to make vocab words. I'm making the kids do vocabulary words because I'm just that mean mom. But they both need help with like their spelling and things like that. So they each have the same words. Leighton's in preschool, Austin's in first grade, but she's pretty advanced. Not in kindergarten yet. So I'm like, you know what? She'll just be ahead of the game. So I need to do that. I need to do some editing. I need to hang stickers in my son's room. I got him like alphabet stickers because sometimes he writes a lot of his letters backwards, and that's where he does his remote learning in his room. So I got those like little stickers at the dollar store to hang on his wall. And then I have a snack organizer. No, honey. I have a snack organizer, like turnstile thing that I'm gonna set up. I just don't know where I'm gonna set it up yet, but my nails, I got white, as always, and then a little candy cane ring finger. So, first I need to clean up the kitchen. We got bowls and stuff and breakfast stuff in the sink. I gotta take care of this bag of apples and a kind of bunch of other little random things. So, let's get started.
Milk carton, black and white face. Smile vacant for the picture. Parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you? Oh, my mouth on fire, drowning in your holy water.
got a bunch of the wrapping done. I also did all of the teachers' gifts and then some gifts we drop off to local places like our bank and the fire department. I have to go get the gift cards to go and fill all of those as well. But I did the teacher gifts, wrapped those, the bank gift, and also some more presents under the tree for everybody. And what else? I have laundry left to do. I'm gonna do the snack organizer now, and then it will be time to go pick up Austin. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.
vos amis du CET, merci, à bientôt.
Together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days. I don't really care.
Alright, so we gave our... Alright, so we did our organizational little project. The kids are showered. Austin's home from school. How was your jogathon? 13 laps.
And after I got this.
And what are you guys making now?
Bracelet. Look at this video.
Alright, so now I'm going to get dinner started. We're having steak tips, carrots, smashed potatoes, and broccoli. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Yeah, to me was still brand new. Yeah. I don't wanna waste even another day. I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. Yeah. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. Yeah. Big it that for your hand, girl. This is it. Sleeping on my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no. I just wanna love